Okay, so next topic we have is properties of addition of integers. Okay, I mean that you have closure property, commutative property, associative property, additive identity, and additive inverse. So today we are going to talk about additive inverse. Okay, additive inverse property. What does it say? Suppose you have a number or integer plus 7. Okay, what is its opposite? Minus 7. So, and when you add them, that is plus 7 plus minus 7, what do you get? 0. We can say, if we're getting the answer as 0, we can say minus 7 is the additive inverse of plus 7. Similarly, plus 7 will be the additive inverse of minus 7. This is just simple. Okay, we just need to write the opposite of it. Suppose another example, minus 6, okay, is one integer. What is its opposite? Plus 6. Yeah, and when you add them both, that is plus 6 minus 6, again you're getting 0. So we can say plus 6 is the additive inverse of minus 6. Similarly, minus 6 is the additive inverse of plus 6. Now simple, you can say what is the additive inverse of 5? 5 means what? Plus 5. Yeah, what will be the additive inverse of plus 5? It will be minus 5. Why? Because when you add, you'll get 0. Again, what will be the additive inverse of minus 6? It will be plus 6. Okay, you just need to write the opposite. So now one question will be there, like find the additive inverse of 325. It's simple. Additive inverse of 325 will be minus 325. It's opposite. Why? The reason is when you add them, you will get 0. When you add 325 plus minus 325, you're getting it 0, right? So that is why this is the additive inverse of this. Similarly, you can say this is the additive inverse of this. It's very simple. Okay, find the additive inverse of minus 72 and also the additive inverse of minus 3456. Okay, so comment down the answer below. See you in the next video. Bye.